Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys where you can find the cat's tail on Dress to Impress. So since the Halloween update is over, well, like the Halloween event, sorry, is over, it used to be here like on the pumpkin, but since they have this like mini update, they have rearranged the room a little bit and placed items everywhere in the like room. So where the cattail is, basically just go to this area here, and as you can see, it's right there on the floor. So you're just going to want to select that, and that's pretty much it. So again, it's near the dressing rooms to the left, which is here. It took me like forever to find that, but that's where it is. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!